maker.
Hi, I'm Watt. This is the community event board. Let's start by making some neighbors. Make your neighbor. You can help out backstage by painting the set pieces.
Let's try this again on book. Acting!
That's music to my ears. Great job. Cheese.
The play is the thing that I love. Places, vote!
Every show needs popcorn. Let's start by assembling the machine and filling up some tubs. Great job! Aren't you glad it's lime for a... Now we're popping. Nice work. This play needs some extras. Let's add some neighbors.
Encore!
Ooh! Gorgeous. Color me impressed. All of the events are up and running. Bring out all your favorite neighbors.
Bravo!
Nice one. Looking good. This play needs some actors. Let's add some neighbors. Kite, my fair lady, Phantom of the Opera. Cheese. Here's where you can see your neighbor and event photos. I can't wait to see what you snap next.